Welcome to Dinaris Farm's Kitchen. And today we're making green bean casserole. Probably one of my favorite side dishes for Thanksgiving. Super easy to make, whip it all up, throw it in the oven, and it's ready. Go ahead and join me while I go ahead and make this easy green bean casserole. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So in a big mixing bowl here, all I'm going to add are three 14.5-ounce cans of drained green beans. These are cut green beans. To that mixture, I'm going to add a 10.5-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. I got a big can, so I'm going to actually add about half of this. To the green beans and the cream of mushroom soup, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk. I am going to crack in some salt as well as some fresh black pepper. So all I'm going to do is mix this up. And with this mixed, all we're going to do is pour into our 2-quart baking dish. I've got the oven preheated to 350. Then we're going to bake this in a 350 oven for 30 minutes uncovered. And then we're going to top it with our fried onions and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Super easy to make. My favorite side dish for Thanksgiving, green bean casserole. I hope you enjoyed following along while I made this super simple, easy recipe. You can put it together in a pinch and it'll be ready in 40 minutes. If you like more videos like this, please like the video below, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. Thank you so much for following along. Bye.